Parquet flooring. That can be a beautiful addition to any home. What I would love to share with you today is what to do when your parquet flooring comes loose off your floor. My name is Pierre with Art of Clean and Art of Flooring. I recently took an inquiry from a lady that called for a church hall where they have this type of parquet flooring, which we also know as 5-finger parquet. It is quite obvious why it's 5-finger parquet, because we have 5 little fingers that form one block. What not many people know is the fact that these floors are laid in sections. They come in blocks like this, in 4 sections of 5-finger parquet, and that is laid down on the floor. The floor is not laid in sections of small fingers like that. These floors has usually mainly been laid in the 60s, 70s and 80s. Of course before and after that period as well, but that is the main concentration of time when it was happening. The floors were also laid using bitumen glues. That means the block would have been covered with bitumen glue, and that is laid. It's usually a black liquid that is used to secure these blocks, and in a certain way it also acts as a moisture barrier. Over the years, this bitumen glue dries out and it starts to crack and become brittle. If you tap on the floor, you will hear there's some loose blocks. The challenge is, as soon as one of these blocks is removed, the next door block will also be loose, and that comes out as well. It is very hard to lay these blocks in exactly in the right way. If only a few blocks are loose, you can easily glue these blocks back down, fill the gaps that will be present, and the floor should be okay. What would be very important is using a solvent-based glue, because a water-based glue will not adhere for a very long time to the bitumen. You would need to use a specific glue that will help you stick these blocks down for a long time to come. It is also vital to ensure the gaps between the newly laid blocks or repaired blocks are filled with the resin mixed with the sawdust from the floor to secure these blocks, not allowing any moisture to penetrate, because while you clean the floor with water, moisture can penetrate, swell the blocks out, and that means more of these little blocks come out. What would be important when choosing a company that either supply you flooring like this, or a company that restores this type of floor? It would be very important to choose a company that know these items and know how to rectify it, especially if it comes to what glues to use and how to secure these blocks, as well as how to finish them in the correct way and what finish to use on them. If you have any questions about your parquet floor, please reach out to us and we would be very happy to help you. Thank you very much.